Hi everyone! Welcome at the unboxing of the 2021 Planything Advent box. I'm excited to unbox everything and I already seen you unboxing it on Instagram and a lot of people love the box. So I'm now opening for everyone to see it for the Planything YouTube channel. Let's start! Let's start with the cards you got in the Advent box. It says Merry Christmas from Planything for me and Yep and Poppy, of course. And let's go start with number one. Number one was this beautiful Christmas planner cover slash traveler notebook. And look how pretty it is also on the inside. It's got little reindeers. This cover fits also a mini happy planner and is the size of a B6 traveler notebook. Let's go to number two. Here is number two. And can we talk about the cute packages all the products are in? Number two is a cute dotted notebook, which also fits in this planner cover. You can use this, for example, for memory keeping, December notes, December daily, just a fun addition to your planner cover and maybe also your planner which is in this cover. I've seen already a lot of fun creations with this notebook. Let's go to number three. In the candy cane packaging. Number three are stickers. Oh my god, look at these stickers. It are the 9 reindeers of Santa with their names and of course Rudolph with his red nose. In this pack are 3 sticker sheets. It are clear glossy sticker sheets. These are fun Christmas illustrations, Christmas lights, Christmas ornaments, Santa, reindeer cookies, hot chocolates, all cute stuff. And the perfect stickers for your Christmas dinner spreads. Let's go to number 4. This is a big bag, bigger bag. In this bag are paper sheets. Double-sided paper sheets, 2 sheets in this. The reindeers are coming back in the paper sheets. Also the hot chocolates, this beautiful Christmas tree, and the dinner table. These paper sheets have the same size as a classic happy planner, so you can use this as cover for your Christmas planner or dashboards or you name it. Let's go to number 5. Number 5 is this cute Christmas stamp. Isn't it cute? It's a clear stamp of a Christmas tree. Let's go to number 6. Number 6 is something that I really like. Also with the backing card. It's a ho 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 gold paper clip. And it's coming from Santa his mouth. I just love how it came together. Let's go to number 7. Number 7 is this cute washi tape with also the reindeers that are in the planner cover on the inside. So everything is also matching together, like all the Planything boxes always. Everything is coordinating with each other. Let's go to number 8. And how cute are these Santa bags? Oh my god, I really love them. It are Christmas stickers. It are paper Christmas stickers with boxes. So this is a long box and ornament boxes. more ornaments that can be used as boxes, and also more box stickers. Aren't they cute? Number 9. It's not always easy to open them quickly because the sticker is sticks so well. Number 9 is this cute little sticky note with Christmas lights. Let's go to number 10. And another look how cute these bags are. In this bag are 2 adhesive pockets. You can stick these adhesive pockets on the on the inside of your cover, or on dashboard or paper, wherever you want to stick it on. Yippee is also coming. Say hi. Yippee. Love you. Love you. Okay, let's continue. In these adhesive pockets you can add stickers, clips, any planner accessories that you want to keep close to your planner. Yippee. He's such a movie star. Okay, let's go to number 11. This cute gold bag. In the bag of number 11 are stencils. A Mr. Snowman stencil and Christmas ornament stencil. And I know a lot of people thought it were balloons. And I guess you can also use it as balloons, but I designed it as Christmas ornaments. But I love how you can use it 2 different ways. Let's go to number 12. This cute bag. Number 12 is a pen. A cute red Christmas pen. I really love to see when you're posting Instagram posts that you're always using my pens as cute little decorations which fitting the color of your spread. I really always love to see that. Then let's go to number 13. Also cute bag. Number 13 is a magnet. It says, we are like stickers, all different in our own beautiful way. I love the quote. Let's go to number 14. Do you know that I'm already excited for the advent box for next year? Because now it's Christmas, I'm already starting to collect illustrations for the Christmas box and advent box for next year, because I'm now in the Christmas mood, and for me the best way to create and design the products is when I'm in the mood for the season it is in. So for example, when it's Christmas, in summer it are heat wave and stuff, I'm always putting on Christmas music, Christmas movies, so I can really get in the Christmas mood to create all the products. And I always starting early now in December with the first yep, always with the first drafts from the products. So number 14 is a paper clip that says snow. It's a gold paper clip you can attach to your planner pages. Let's go to number 15. Number 15 is a super cute winter notepad. It's also double-sided. Yes, cute notepad. With lots of snow, and look at these cute houses. I'm really in love with this. Let's go to number 16. I believe these are stickers. Winter stickers. Yes, they are. It are clear, glossy winter stickers with 3 sheets with cute winter illustrations. With snowman, sleigh, reindeer, cute sweaters, ice skates, I'm really loving it. Then these cute winter trees, which I really love. And then also stickers from the cute houses that were on the notepad earlier. Let's go to number 17. Yip is standing here. He wants attention because we are in the living room. I never work in the living room. I'm always working upstairs in the office. But I thought it would be fun to have my Christmas tree as background. The bag of number 17 are paper sheets. 2 double-sided paper sheets with, look at those cute houses. Oh my gosh, I really love them. Let's open them. So on one side are the houses. How cute are they? They are coordinating with the stickers and the notepad. Then we have the little snowman on the other side. Then we have one single house with a reindeer. And on the other side, a cute winter pattern with quotes. Let's go to number 18. Number 18. Number 18 is a, you not really can see well on camera, but it is a blue background with falling snow. Really cute. Number 19 is a stamp. It's a snowflake stamp, a clear stamp from a snowflake, and you can also fill it with markers or anything else. Let's go to number 20. I'm really in love with number 20. I'm so in love with the colors of this pen. Look how beautiful, white with rose gold, and the gems are also white with rose gold. I'm so in love with it. So pretty. Then we go to number 21. And it are stickers. Number 21 are paper winter stickers. You just come and say hi again. What I really like of these stickers is that these snowflakes are also can be used as boxes. How pretty! In a long box, and you also see the houses coming back from the clear stickers, the paper, the notepad. And here are some more boxes with snow and the snowman. Then we're heading to bag number 22. Number 22 is a washi tape with a snowy background, snow floor, and also Christmas or winter trees. And let's go to number 23. This bag are 2 sheets of acetate paper. So it's transparent paper. You can use these as dashboards, bookmarks, or just for fun pages for in between. I see people doing a lot of creative stuff with it. So the red paper has the same print as the cover that was in number 1. This acetate sheet says "Let it snow," and it's blue, and you see these snowflakes falling. Then let's go to the final bag, number 24, and I've already opened it. It's this super cute sticker storage. How cute is this snowman? All the stickers from Planything that are paper sheets are fitting in this sticker storage. You can fit up to 20 sheets or more if you decide to add more, you can add the sheets here and here, where you can also, of course, also add 2 papers at the same time. How isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, I'm really so in love with the sticker storage. This was the last bag of the Planything Advent box, which was also in this super cute box, which I really love. I really felt like Santa this year. I really hope you enjoyed the Advent box if you have bought it this year, and if you're watching this video because you considering buying the Advent box from 2022, because of course I will be returning with a Advent box next year. I will also be linking the Advent box video from 2020, so you can see from every year what was in the Advent box. And I'm already excited to start creating the one for next year. Thank you for watching this video, and I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Planything.